Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to italicize text in a Word document using Microsoft Word. Let's start with step 1, selecting the text. Click and drag your mouse over the part of the text you want to italicize. For instance, if you'd like to italicize just the first paragraph, go ahead and highlight that section. Or if you need to select the entire document, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. That selects everything in one go. Now for step 2, applying the italic formatting with your text selected, make sure you're on the Home tab at the top. Then look for the italic icon. It's the one that looks like a slanted letter. I click it and your text will turn italic. Alternatively, you can use a shortcut, press Ctrl+I on your keyboard to do the same thing. If you change your mind later and want to remove the italics, just select the text again and click the icon or press Ctrl+I once more to toggle it off. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to italicize text in Microsoft Word using both the mouse and keyboard shortcuts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.